Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a Menko card. Menko is a traditional Japanese card game. Now, this is a traditional model. It's also a modular origami, so it does require 2 squares of paper. I'm going to use 2 6-inch squares of qaumi. I'll be using blue and orange for this one. So I'll start with the orange piece. And for the first step, we're going to need to fold this into thirds. So the easiest way to show you how to do that is to hold the paper up, and then we're gonna form it like this, making it into a Z shape. Then once you have the paper like this, you can roll the sides back and forth until this edge lines up with this edge, and this edge lines with this edge below. So you just roll the sides back and forth until they line up properly. And then once they do, you can just press down and make 2 small pinch marks. And then we'll unfold, and I'm going to place it colored side down. And the 2 pinch marks are on the left here. Next, I'm going to bring this bottom edge up, folding along this pinch mark, and it's going to fold up to that pinch mark there. So this corner lies right along that pinch mark, and these 2 edges line up over here. And hold that in place and crease it all the way across. Next, I'll unfold that, then I'll bring this top edge down to that crease I just made. Then line that up with the crease and crease it all the way across. And if you unfold, you can see that that's folded into thirds now. Then we'll just fold the bottom edge up and fold the top edge down over it like this. Next, we're going to bring this left edge up to line up with the top edge, which will make a valley fold running this way, bisecting this angle. So bring that edge up, and then crease it down. Then on the right side, we're going to bring the right edge down to line up with the bottom edge. And that'll be bisecting this angle here. Then it should look like this. Next, we're going to make a valley fold right along this edge here. So just fold it in right along that vertical edge. This point should come over to meet this edge when you do that. Just like that, and then you can unfold it. And we'll do the same thing with this side. Just fold it over, crease and fold it back. Now we have one of the modules. Next, we need to fold another module that looks just like the last one. So we should have 2 symmetrical modules here. Just go back and repeat all the steps that we did for the first one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take one of those modules and rotate it 90 degrees and place it on top in the center of the other module. Next, with the module that's underneath, we're going to take one of the flaps, and using the existing creases that we have, we're just going to fold it over the module that's on top. Next, just moving clockwise, take the next flap and fold that in along the existing crease lines. And then continuing clockwise, fold another flap in. Now we have one final flap, but this time we're still going to fold it along those existing creases, but you'll notice a little pocket here. We're going to fold it down and slide the tip into that pocket. So you might need to sort of roll the paper a little bit and slide it in there. And then fold it all the way down. Should slide all the way inside. Then crease everything down firmly. And then we're all done. You can make a bunch of those and look up the rules for how to play Menko if you'd like to try playing the actual card game. But if you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.